Hi, you guys, and welcome back to Nicole Does What. If you want to see how Ishmael and I made this table, stay tuned, be blessed, and I'll see you on the next one.
Yeah, it's the one. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Got me tied down on the way to the beach. Four bad chicks in the middle of the street. Oh, right up in the yard.
Okay, it's late, guys, and we have been teetering with this project all day. So, we are making a sofa table from scratch. And we want to make these things like handles for the top of the sofa table. But you guessed it, we're doing it with pallet wood. And I found some real good pallet wood within this bunch. I think this is the best pallet wood off of that pallet. And I think they like 1x6s. So I'm gonna put these on the top of my table. And then I'm gonna go out there and find some more good wood, because this right here, I'm not a fan of it. It's just too flimsy, too thin. It's too like thin. So yeah, so we're going back tomorrow. Well, Ishmael brought us a lot of pallets, so we're going back tomorrow and try to find some more of that thick wood. Which one you need? Okay. So, yeah, we just making a box off the pallets. And we wanted this rounded edge right here, that rounded detail, so you can see through the pallet. And we also wanted that stamp on there. I got like 2 more of these downstairs, but the other 2 got a lot of nails in it. I'll let you see when you start the next step. But basically it's just 3 pieces of wood, and then 2 what is this, 40 inches, and then those 2 side pieces. So I'll let you see when he get finished with the other part. So this gonna be the top of it, and it's gonna look like you put your hand in there and pick it up. I'll let you see when he get done. So he is putting wood glue up here, and I don't know if I'm gonna paint this yet or not, because I'm enjoying the wood.
You need some rain, right? You need a napkin, like 2 napkins wet.
Okay, you guys, this is how far we got with making the coffee table. So yeah, he gotta go back out there and cut the rest of that, but the top of it is done, and we're just letting it dry, and then I'm gonna stain it probably the color of that wood right there, so everything can look cohesive in here. So yeah, we just gotta do that and make the legs, then we'll be done. Okay, that is the bottom piece of this darn thing that we're making, and these are the legs that I gotta put together, and I'm just gonna put them in air brackets. I gotta glue this and nail it down. So, okay, let's get into it. I'm gonna show you a little bit of that. So the legs will look like this. 2 pieces of 1x4 in an L shape. So I'm finna glue it and nail it down.
Okay.
Okay, and those are the legs. They are not attached, but that's what it is. So Ishmael is putting bolts in this sofa table that we made. And I'll get back with y'all when it's finished. Battery going low. Okay, that's the end of this video. That is the coffee table in its entirety. When I show you it next time. Okay, you guys, here's the table all completed, and now I'm finna stain it. So here's the stain that I used to stain this table with. So cute. So yes, you guys, I also bought lamps to go on this table, and this will be my second box of lamps because the first one's too small. Here is that beautiful planter box that I wasn't ready to part with, and those are the lamps that I just showed you. So yes, I am in love with those. So cute, from Vera. Yeah, and here's the whole table in its entirety, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be blessed, and we will see you on the next one. Have a great week, you guys. Bye bye.
And she got her hands all over my body.